The Combi pendant series by Koncept is a vibrant and playful addition to any interior design scheme. This light fixture is designed to be customized to your unique taste and preferences, giving you the opportunity to make it truly your own. At the heart of the Combi pendant series is a sleek and stylish 1.5-inch cylindrical light that comes in 5 different lengths. This innovative design features a 2-in-1 mounting capability, which allows for both suspension and ceiling flush mounting, giving you more flexibility in how you use the fixture. What really sets the Combi pendant series apart is the wide range of optional attachments that are available. With over 12 different options to choose from, you can add shades, decorative glass or metallic plates, acoustic panels, and diffused glass balls to your light fixture, creating a truly unique and personalized look. Whether you prefer a minimalist, industrial-inspired design or a more whimsical, colorful aesthetic, the Combi pendant series has something to offer. The customizable elements of this light fixture allow you to transform it into a statement piece that perfectly complements your interior decor. With its customizable features and innovative design, the Combi pendant series by Koncept is the perfect way to infuse your interior design with personality and style.